Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to select all shapes in PowerPoint at once. Let's get started. There are actually 3 different ways you can do this. First, hold down the Shift key and start clicking on each shape, one by one. This method is great when you just want to select specific shapes, without grabbing everything on the slide. It's a bit slower, but it works when you want to be specific. Second, if you want to grab everything on the slide quickly, just press Ctrl+A. This will select all the shapes and objects instantly. Easy, right? Third, for a more visual method, click outside the slide and simply drag your mouse across all the shapes. This way, you can capture everything in one motion. Once you've got all your shapes selected, just right-click on one of them and choose Group. Now, you can move, resize, or adjust all the shapes at the same time, making it much easier to manage them as a group. And that's it. Now you know how to select and manage all shapes in PowerPoint like a pro. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.